Hello, my friends. I welcome you all to the Creative Thinkers Hub channel. Today, we are going to be learning that how we could create a hyper realistic, lifelike AI photo shoot. Saying that, now let's view some images of mine. Okay, so we are going to select some images, that is this one and probably the other one, and what we are going to do is we are going to remove the background. So we use our pickwish.com to remove the background. Select this image, and yes, the background is out, but there is somebody's hair is also coming behind. So we cut all this. Cool. Now I think we are done. Okay, this is a good enough image, and we say fine, this is what it is. We work on the second image, and that works out perfectly fine. Now we are going to go to cart.ai. This is an amazing website where we could just generate something. So we generate man, full image of man, okay, posing for photo shoot, because we are going to look at images. Wow, so this is for images for the photo shoot. Now why we this, when you press try, this is what you get. So that it tells you exactly what that image holds. So you could keep changing this, and okay, let's see what we want him to be wearing. And yeah, oh, he is 18 years old, make him 40 years old, okay, with slight stubble, and let's see what we get. Cool. So he gets a stubble, but he yet doesn't look 40 years old. He is an AI related image. Okay, so the stubble comes in. What we do, we give it an accuracy of 3.5, and let's see what we get. Okay, so we save the image, and we save certain images. Let's see that how this is going to behave. Okay, so now once we are done, we change this full image of a man in front of a computer, and again save some images. Now once we are done, this is our whole stock. We cut this and we create a new folder called target, because these are going to be our target images, and you will soon know what I mean by target. Now we go to github.com, deep site inside phase tree master web demos and swapping Discord. This link I will be giving in my description too. Now we go to this step-by-step guide and just let it be there. Now we go to Midjourney. Yes, we'll be working on Midjourney. Most of my friends will be saying that Midjourney is paid. I will show you how to use it for free. Okay, so now we are going to be learning how to use it for free. We add this, our email ID, and we get the desktop app. That's very important, the desktop app. Okay, so we say save, and now we click on this and we load it. Okay, once it's done, it's logging into my Turning Heads email ID, no problem. So I say okay, sign me up and customize my server, Turning Heads design server. Fine, very good. Now take the Midjourney bot. Okay, click on the two heads over there and add the Midjourney bot to the new server you have created, that is a turning head design. Okay, and authorize and say I am human. Okay, and go to turning head server. Once you're done with that, you will get everyone is welcome. Now you click on this thing, go on to the Discord thing, click it, and I'll ask you to put your email ID again. Okay, so we put info.turningheads because turning heads is in, and we put our password and we log in. Once we are in, inside face will come. Again put turning heads and authorize it. Again you have to prove you're human, so do that. And now we go here. So both the bots, that is the inside face swap and Midjourney bot, both are added over here. Now we use a save ID. Okay, in the ID name you create a brand new ID name. So we call it Photoshoot. Okay, and we take a target image. So this is our main image. This is our main image. So this is our, and then we say swap ID. This is a new thing, and we give the same ID, that is Shoot. If you give any other ID, it won't work. Okay, so come here, click on the target, click on any one of the images. Let's say we want this person with the watch. Come here and press enter. Once you press enter, it will search for some time and then it will give you my face on that image. Okay, and what we do, we go to Huzefa Pics, we create another folder and we call it final. Okay, and we save it there. Okay, so this is our final. Now we go to pixels.com and we search some more images, because the reason being that we are getting very cartoonish animated type feel. Okay, this guy looks good. His face structure is also pretty similar to mine. You have to search for images that have got a similar, no. Okay, fine, cancel it. No smoking. Okay, no smoking images. So man having a stubble and wearing a suit. We do that same search on Google. Let's see what it gives us. No, I think man, clean shaven man. Okay, wearing a suit. Brunette man, because it's giving me, yeah, this is good. Okay, this guy is a little skinny, but let's see. Okay, we download that. We download the other one also. Let's see how this will work. Okay, then we look at other images. Let's see. Oh wow, this is good with a cap. Okay, this is going to give me a nice look. Let's start. It's an Adobe stock image. Now mind, we'll only download the preview one because it's purely for educational purposes. So we download the preview. Once we are done downloading a lot of images, now you see this, these are certain images which I have created while I was away. Okay, and they look just amazing. Now let's try one of these. No, his face doesn't look anything like mine, so I'm not going to bother downloading it. Okay, and even the iStock logo is there, so we skip it. Let's try something else. Okay, this is good. Okay, let's try him. Let's reduce the number of images. Yeah. Okay, let's try him. So slash swap ID Shoot. Okay, come here, select this and go to your target image and select a cap person and say enter. Once you're here, let's see. Hey, this looks just like me. This is great. Cool. Let's download this. So my friends, as you can see, images got even without actually doing a photo shoot. So this is the miracle of AI, and if used in the right way, it could really work wonders for you. Okay, and save you a lot of money also, because you are just putting your face on somebody else's image, as long as it suits you. I think this is good. Let me go on to a beach. Let this be a part of my photo shoot. Okay, yeah, this guy is also good. His face structure is also pretty similar. Let's see. Okay, now we are done with downloading some images. Some of them don't look like me, some of them don't have the face structure. Let's start deleting all of them. Okay, we don't want clutter, we don't want to waste time, and let's start deleting what all we don't want. I think he's also not in. These animated are surely not in. Okay, this guy is a little too skinny. Same with him. That this no, yeah, let him be. Let him also be. Okay, we let some images go, we let some be, and let's see how they work. This is all on assumption, on basis of how this is going to work. Okay, so we come here again, select a target. You see this? This is me. This is the image. This looks just like me and a very small haircut. This looks just like me. You see that? So this is the power of AI. Yeah. See that? Great. So I get some muscle also and a good suit. Okay. This guy, yeah, he also looks like me. And then this one. See that? Brilliant. Brilliant. It's just like another picture of mine. Cool. Same here. Wow. I just learned surfing, friends. Okay. So this is what AI can do. Now, if you realize, some of the images have really not worked out, they're highly pixelated. So we go to awayday.com/image/upscale. Okay, and we choose, so this website allows you to upscale your images and give them a very good resolution. Can you see? This is only 35 by 375 by 562. When I say upscale to 4x, this is what I get. So I keep selecting each and every image. Okay, from 843 by 562, this become 168 by 114. Okay, and this is how you work with all the final images that you see. This is the quality. Wow, superb. Okay, lovely. I really like this website. Okay, so all my images, as you can see, they are all upscaled, all 1500 dpi, 1500 pixels plus. Okay, now we start Adobe Photoshop, and what we are going to do, AI has given me this kind of an haircut and I don't know why. So now let's work on that. So we take our magic tool, we select everything that is similar to that color, go to a mask tool and erase all this. Okay, make sure everything is erased. Okay, now once that is done, now we get back into a selection Okay, and then we add new layer and we get into hue and saturation, and then work on the lightness. Reduce the lightness slightly and the saturation slightly. Don't reduce it till it becomes black. I know we want to make the hair black, but do not do that. Now copy paste this mask on the duplicated layer and try darker color. Okay, now once that is done, this is what you get. Okay, now yet this is not complete. There are a lot of places where it has not worked. Go on to this mask all over again and color all these areas black, or I would say white. Okay, we have to erase them from the black background of the mask and do the same even on the other one. Once that's done, this is what we get. Okay, now we duplicate this layer 3-4 times, and now this is purely to get the texture of the hair back. Now we go into curves and create a curves and copy paste that mask into the curves. Okay, and go into your red channel, green channel, and play with all of them till you get a darker color. Okay, so this is what you're going to get. You see that? So it's slightly red in nature. Let's do one thing, close certain layers and delete the ones that we really don't want. So we just keep 3 layers. Yeah, that's it. Now we take a black and give it full hard. No, you have to give it 100% hardness. No, this won't work. This won't work. Okay, give it. So we delete that masking layer. Come here, select this again with 100% hardness. Make sure your hardness is and opacity is 55, not hardness. Okay, hardness should be full. Reduce the opacity and work around this so that you're not getting unnecessary hair anywhere. Work on the opacity, it's very, very important. Yeah, that's how you do it. Okay, now whatever we did here, and we use the white to increase this area so that it blends into that existing hair. I don't know why it's decided to make me bald from the front. Okay, now we just copy this newly created mask. Okay, and that's what we get. Okay, now the red is quite high in this. Okay, what we will do is that we'll reduce the red. So you get into the red and just give it a slight dip. Can you see? So it's done. Now over here we find that it has created a different shade altogether. Okay, so go on to all the layers and work on it, and yes, we are done. So we save this image. This is not really so this is how you do it. So we save the Photoshop in case we want to work on it further, and also save a copy of the JPEG. In the same way you work with all the images, and you will be very, very stunned to see this. You see, this is the old one, this is the new one. You see, you don't even come to know, and it's great. So this is how it's done. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and do not forget to share, because only sharing increases your knowledge. Thank you.